In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk upload and schedule social posts in HubSpot. If you're managing multiple posts across different platforms, this feature can save you a huge amount of time and help you stay organized. Instead of scheduling posts one by one, you can upload them all at once using a simple spreadsheet. Let's walk through how it works. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, click on Marketing, then select Social. This is where you manage and schedule all your social media content. In the top right corner, look for the Schedule in Bulk option and click it. A dialog box will appear giving you the option to download an import template. You can choose either an Excel file or a CSV file. Download the template to your computer. Next, open the file. Inside the template, you'll see columns that you need to fill out. These typically include details like the social account, post content, and schedule date and time. Make sure you complete all the required columns exactly as instructed in the template. This step is important. If the format is incorrect, the upload may fail. Add all the posts you want to schedule into the spreadsheet. You can plan out an entire week or even a month of content in one file. Once you've finished editing the file, save it. Then head back to HubSpot. In the bulk scheduling window, click Select a File, or simply drag and drop your completed spreadsheet into the upload box. Click Upload and HubSpot will process your file. After it's done, you'll be redirected to a screen where you can review the uploaded posts. Finally, click Schedule Posts to confirm and queue them for publishing. That's it. You've just scheduled multiple social posts in one go, much faster than doing them individually. This method is perfect for planning campaigns, coordinating with your team, and staying consistent on social media. And that's how you bulk upload and schedule social posts in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.